Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee in Berkeley. Today we have an Isomac. This machine came to the shop completely dead. We we replaced the new pressure stat, and also the switch for on and off was dead. And the last thing we did was the brew switch right here. It's brand new. Everything we did is brand new there. And we did descaling and backflashing, clean in and out. And let's test the hot water tower here. We have the hot water, and here the steam, as you can see. And let's pull a shot. We have a beautiful cup of espresso with a nice cream on top. Please don't forget to subscribe. And also, we have a great selection of beautiful machines at the shop. Come and visit us. Thank you.